Welcome to the channel, Tony Elite Car Security. Just going to run through a few little demos and features on this full Transit Custom. It's a brand new 71 plate. We've done the AS96, which is a 4G connected car alarm, built-in dual shock tilt motion and tow sensors. Unbelievable. Full phone control, so we've got the 4G tracking, and then we've got the full app. You get driver's door open, so you get full notification alerts from the phone. And then also we can do these without using the spare key. A lot of systems need to use the spare key behind the dash. Unfortunately, that's how it is sometimes, but on the majority of cases on these we don't need the custom spare key, so he has two keys, so you can retain both keys, which is very good. And then from the app we can directly remote start it, lock and arm it, put it in valet mode. We've got full control, so I'll just show you. Let's just remote start it. So you just hold the remote start button down. Vehicle starts and runs. Then we can shut it down again directly from the app. All shuts down. You can also use voice controls, Siri and Google. So if I just latch this door over, just lock the driver's door, and just show you, so you can remote start it as well from the key, so 3 times lock. So if I just deadlock it first, mirrors will fold in, and then just 3 times lock. That locks and arms it, remote starts it. If we was to open the door now, the alarm would fully trigger and go off and the engine would shut down. The same as we touch the brake or take the handbrake off, it's fully protected. So if I open the door, alarm goes off, shuts it down.